Hello, my name is Natasha Ryan, and I'll be giving a course on self-defense, more precisely on how to escape if ever you're in a bad situation where your wrist, arms are tied with zip ties. I believe this is a very important thing to know for males and females because it could happen to anyone. This is an important trick that anyone can learn whenever you're in a bad predicament. So basically, you have to make sure that the middle of the tie wrap is in the middle of your hand, like this, and that it's the tightest as it could possibly be. And then you put your hands like this, as closer as you can to your body, and you have to watch out when you go back like that not to hurt your hips. So basically you put your hands up like this and you give a big swing, and then that's when you do it. So 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so if ever you can't break it by using the other technique with your stomach in your hands, another technique is hoping you're wearing sneakers. You're going to undo the laces and you're going to use it to break it. So this is how you do it. So you're going to take your hands and you've got to find a way to bring it up. Okay, won't be long. Then you just got to grab it with your tongue and teeth. So you just got to roll it up like I'm doing. So you got it in like this. Then what you're going to do, keep it in. You're going to untie your other shoelace. And just got to find it. Okay, so I got it here. You're going to make a knot. Oops, where is it? Okay, you're going to make a knot with your other shoelace. Like this. Won't be long. It's pretty difficult with your hands tied. Okay, so you're gonna make a very tight knot. So here you can see it, and you're just gonna So what you're going to try to do is it's going to cut the tie wraps, okay? So make them tight first. It's easier when they're tight. And that's how you get out.
And once again, I'm encouraging everyone watching this video to just practice or even just try out these methods at least once, and to show people that they know in their surroundings, family, friends, and co-workers, because one day it may actually save their life or help them out a great deal. As this video comes to an end, I would just like to say that I hope that these methods and video has been very educational and beneficial for the people who have been watching.